If you are starting your t-shirt print on demand business with Etsy, you might be overwhelmed with all these designs and artistic style t-shirts that you feel might be really challenging for you to create yourself. However, I'm here to tell you that sometimes simple sells. In today's video, I'm teaching you how to take these text t-shirt designs a little step further and actually create some amazing retro type style text designs with using Kittl. I'm gonna share with you exactly how to find these font designs, how to actually go into Kittl and change them to really make them your own and utilize some amazing features with individual letters. I'm sure this all with you coming up next. Welcome back to the video, my friends. If you're new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel, I teach you how to make passive income online by creating and selling your own products. And so if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel. And our main platform that we're going to utilize today is Kittl. Kittl makes it easy for you to utilize already made templates and redesign them to make your own products. And today we're specifically looking at their text design feature, as they give us so many options for us to find specific letters to our overall text design, how to make our text in a wavy font design, and how to add in some more elements to bring out our overall t-shirt design. Now, if you want to try out Kittl yourself, I'll make sure to leave a link down in my description box below. You are actually able to get started with Kittl for free to test it out to see if this is something that can be beneficial to your overall print on demand business. Now, one of the things I like to do before I create any product is to do product research and keyword research. And so when I do this research here, I already know that I'm in the Christmas season and I want to merge two popular trends and kind of trend merge those together to create something new. So we know the Christmas season is doing well, and we also know anything for moms or for dads is doing well also. So I want to combine those two things together and create a brand new product I can sell on my Etsy shop. And so I know I want to search up this phrase that I know is doing well. It is Mama Claus. And with the program that I have, I already see here that my search volume is extremely high. 862 people per month is searching up this keyword. Now, from this keyword that I know is doing really well, I want to click on this and see what type of products are coming up for this. One of the things I try to look for in regards to my product research is to make sure I am in a low competitive space. Again, for me, in my case today, if there's almost 1,000 people per month searching up this phrase, and I know it will increase over the time creeping up to Christmas, then 11,000 people in regards to how many competitive listings are coming up is not that bad. However, from here, I don't want to scroll through all these and see which ones are doing well. I just want to target specifically those products that are bestsellers, have 20 or more in the cart, and are really driving sales. And an easy way to identify what product is doing well is to go to the All Filters tab. And from there, you want to click bestseller. And so I know the competition is going to go even lower because every single thing on this list is a best-selling item. Now, just as a side note, if I know Mama Claus is already doing well, I want to add in something different here. Maybe like Aunt Claus or Uncle Claus or Grandpa Claus or Mimi Claus. All these things can actually create new product lines for you because you're still generating that same type of traffic. We already know people are buying things like this, but then you are targeting different people. So from here, I want to go ahead and actually find some different font styles that I can add into Kittl so I can start creating my own product. So I already know that the retro style font designs are doing extremely well with our basic text design. And so I want to actually go into Creative Fabrica and find a text font that I want to utilize for my design. And they have a ton of different things you can utilize. And then you can just go in here and search up in the font section retro, and you'll find the same list of things here. You can go through your own list and see which ones actually go in line with what your design style is all about when you did your research time to identify what products are doing well. But I have already identified some retro fonts that I want to go ahead and utilize. And so I make sure I leave a list of all these fonts in my description box below. But one of the things I really like about Kittl is I can download these type of fonts. Kittl makes it so easy for you to grab those special letters and add them into your design. I tried it with Canva and it was a little challenging. There is a way you can do it, but Kittl just makes it so seamless and so easy for you not to get out of your design studio, but to really stay in it and still create some things. That being said, I want to go ahead and download this, upload this into Kittl, and then we're going to start creating our design. So we're going to go ahead and jump into Kittl and utilize Kittl for our text-based design. And we already know that sometimes simple sells, and so we want to leverage a little bit of that traffic that we find in Etsy with the Christmas season with some text-based products. Now, we're going to go in Kittl a little bit further because they have some great templates that we're going to start from and just grab some small things from some of their templates. So I want to search up a Christmas template now. From here, I know I am going to create just a text-based t-shirt design, but I want to add still some small elements in here to really bring out the overall text design. And so this is the template that I want to start with here. And what's so good about using Kittl again is that you don't have to create anything from scratch. You can really get some inspiration with some things that's already here, and then erase some things, add some things in, and really make this design your own. And so from here, I want to use this design, and now I have the template that I'm going to utilize today for our design. So here's the canvas that we're going to utilize in Kittl. Again, this just came from a basic template, and I really was drawn to this just because these small little stars I think would be a nice little touch when we are creating our simple text design, but still bringing in that retro style we have already identified works really well. Now from here, I just want to add in a text. I'm just going to simply click the letter T. So you see our text is very basic, nothing really bringing out the retro vibe that we really want to aim for. But again, if I want to add in my own text from any place I downloaded, in my case, I just got them from Creative Fabrica. Again, Kittl makes it so easy to utilize text from different areas and upload them to their platform and utilize them seamlessly with your overall products. So from here, I'm going to click on my text. I want to go over here to the text options. I want to go to this cloud here where I can upload my font design. I want to go ahead and actually find the place where my font is downloaded. And I know I'm going to utilize the magic retro that we identify. And there's two that comes in here. One is the bold outline and the other is the actual font that is going to be visible for our particular product. And so I just want to make sure that I download both of them, and I'll share with you what that means when we actually upload this into Kittl. And so as you can see here, I have the magic retro swatch, which is just a bold background. And then I have the magic retro, which is just a basic text here. So I want to upload this to my library. So now that we have our text uploaded to Kittl, I want to go ahead and go back to the text settings. And now you see at the bottom of my uploads, I now have my text design here. So we have our text mama already here. And as you can see, that retro style is looking pretty good. I can go down here, and this is what I mean by Kittl really changes the game in regards to text-based products. Now, I have already found a text-based design that I really want to utilize today, and it is this text-based product here. And I'm going to just set this back to a regular mama with everything lowercase, and I'm just going to share with you how we can go ahead and make this something different. So we have mama here already set in place, but if you notice here, even though I am using a retro type font design, it's not really bringing out this style that I really want to in regards to this retro Christmas design. But again, I just want to erase this M, go into the glyphs here and search up all the different versions of M. And as you can see, this one has multiple different M versions that I can utilize for this text-based product. So I definitely want to lead with the large M here, and I have the mama here. But I do want to change the A to be something else. So I would delete that, head over to glyphs again, search up A's and see what type of A's I have. And I think I want to go with this type of A here. Again, utilizing Kittl makes it so easy to find those specific letters to really bring out our basic text design. So I have mama here, but the bottom area, I do want it to say Mama Claus. So I'll put Claus here. But again, as you can see, just utilizing the basic text is really not bringing out this overall design. So I do want to change the C and the L. And so I go to the glyphs again, search up C. These are all the different variations. And I want to utilize a lowercase c here. So I'll go ahead and then delete that C that was there in the beginning. And I want to make this L a little bit different to really bring out that retro type style with the letter L here. So I would take out the L, go into the glyphs again, search up the different options for my L. And as you see, we have so much here to go along with. And I just want to see what type of L's I want to use. And I think this is the one that I really want to utilize for this design. All right, so I have my words here, Mama Claus. And again, that retro style looks really, really good. I can make it larger here just by grabbing the edges. I can make the mama large as well, but I think everything looks well here. Now, I am going to change my background because I know that this is going to go on a bright color t-shirt. And so I definitely want to design accordingly. So if I want to change my background, I'll just click the background here, change the background color. And I want to pick just white so I know exactly what I'm working with. And I had like these little stars here that I wanted to utilize as well. And so I just want to highlight these stars, change the colors so that they can actually be just visible for me. And then I can go ahead and change this design and the color of this design a little bit more as I continue to add some things in. So we have our mama and our Claus here. But one of the things I want to go ahead and do that I already see here is just add in a basic A. And I just want to change the M to really make this stand out a little bit more. So I can go back into the glyphs, search up M, pick this one here. I think that can do a whole lot better than what we have. Take this out. And again, this is how you were able to make basic text stand out so extremely well. I can make this larger if I want to in regards to Mama Claus. And I think this is an overall good design with a basic text. So from here, I want to add in some retro colors to this overall text design to make it stand out even more. So I grabbed some colors from another design I think will work well with this one here. So if I want to change my font color, I can go in here and click on it, go to text color. Because I'm grabbing a color from a different design, I want to go ahead and add the hex code here. And I want to do the same thing to the clause here. I want to add in a different color. I can change the color here if I want, but again, I have one particularly I want to use for this design. So I add in the hex code. And again, I think these colors here really bring out our overall design. Now from here, I want to go ahead and actually add in some more designs in regards to these stars at the bottom. And so I definitely want to change the color of these stars as well. Again, utilize one of the colors that we already have here. And I think I want to go with this golden color. And if I want to add in some more stars here, I can just copy and paste. And again, just have these all over our design, just in a small way to bring out our overall text-based product. Now, if you notice on the side of our project here, Kittl does give you the option to add in elements. So all I did here was head over to the side options, go to element. And because we are working with a Christmas particular design, I want to add in something from the Christmas list. And so from here, I want to add in this Santa and reindeers. And I want to change the color of this red to fit our overall design color. And so I can go here and change the object color, add in the little red that we utilize for the claws, can make the star a little bit bigger. And here we have it. So I think our design is complete. Again, Kittl makes it so easy for us to upload different font styles and really find those specific letters to really bring out our overall text-based product. Again, if everything is good here, I'm a big fan of just grouping everything together. And so I just want to group it here. If I want to go ahead and remove the background, there's two ways to do that. I can go and just click the background, go to opacity, hit 0, and I remove the background here. Or I can just go to the download area and just click remove background, and I can do that here. And so I want to go ahead and download this as a PNG for me to upload to my print on demand software. But again, this is an easy way for you to go ahead and utilize Kittl to create your overall t-shirt design. So as you can see, our basic t-shirt design came out extremely well. Again, all this can be done utilizing Kittl, utilizing what they already have in regards to the elements, as well as utilizing their easy way to change the font style, find those specific letters to really bring out your overall style. Again, I have utilized different programs, but Kittl is the easiest way for me to actually change these letters, and it keeps me all in that same design software so I can actually stay focused and create my designs I want to utilize on my next print on demand product. Kittl comes with a ton of different other features like wavy text designs, as well as adding in different elements and never starting from scratch by their ton of different templates they have based upon their large community of t-shirt designers. I'll make sure I leave everything in my description box below if you want to check out Kittl on your own. Again, you can try this out for free and test this out to see if it is best for your print on demand business. Now, in today's video, I didn't have time to talk about how to actually create these amazing mock-up designs. However, if you want to check out this next video here of my step-by-step process of how to find amazing mock-up designs for your t-shirt business, make sure you click this next video here. And if you want to learn more about how to make passive income online, make sure you click this video here. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.